Hello guys, I'm back. It's Adventures with Noah and Daniel. And if you're new, I'm Daniel. And today, we are actually going on a trip to Payson. So this is my bag, and I'm going to pack up stuff. So yeah. So I got two. So we're gonna go on a trip to Payson. So yeah, pretty cool. So these are my pajamas. Pretty cool. Done. These are my stuff. Got my socks and everything. So this is cool, and we're actually going to camp at Payson. So it's gonna be really cool. And we're gonna look for reptiles there, of course, any bugs and all of that. And it's actually tomorrow that we're going. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hello guys, we're back to Adventures with Noah and Daniel. And actually, we're going camping, right? If you saw the other video. And yeah, we got everything. It's the next day, next morning. So yeah, we'll be there today, and I'll see you once we're at our camping site. So we're not in Payson yet, but we're here. Got my Gatorade. Yeah. So yeah, guess I'll see you when we're in Payson. Oh, we're in Payson now. So, guys, this is the spot that we found, and we actually might camp here. So, yeah, we don't know yet, but still walk up. So, yeah, we're gonna keep walking up. Tree, really cool. Oh. Okay, we're gonna stop the video here. We were still walking. We found this little place. It looks like a woodpecker could live here. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Let's stick it. Guys in there. Just tell me what you see. Kind of hard, but yeah. Hopefully we could camp here. So there's some moss here, and we are gonna camp here. So this is so cool. So yeah. I'll let you know once we have our tents up, I guess. So we set it up, a tent. It's a big one. Pretty cool. I'm gonna show you inside. Roomy. So yeah. And that's actually the toilet where we go. So yeah. Then there's this bench. When we came here, we already saw it, so that was pretty cool. We could use that. And then trees, some of the chairs. Yeah. So, hello guys. So pretty cool, right? Yeah. So, we're gonna flip this rock right now, and we'll show you right now. Hello guys. I'm going to flip this rock, just like I said. I'm gonna have these just in case there's anything under it. Hoping to see a wolf, spider. So, anything? I don't see anything. but just that little, I forgot what it's called, a wood something. A wood thing. I forgot. Please comment down below what's that little bug is called. I think it's a roly-poly, but I don't know. So, I'm just gonna close it. Whew. And yeah, we'll let you know once we find something. Oh, we just found this. Pretty cool. It's like red above these leaves. Please let me know what kind of leaves they are. I know they're just leaves, but yeah. We flipped some rocks, nothing under them, so let you know once we find anything.
Hello guys, I think there's a lot of bears here.
Yup, because actually we've been finding a lot of bear poop, right?
Yeah.
So that means that some bears are around, so we'll try to find some poop right now. So this is the bear poop. We've been finding a lot lately. So I think that there is... This is the bear poop compared to my foot. It's massive. Of course, it's from a bear. So yeah, it's probably the end of the video, right now?
Yeah.
So
Like this video, want more videos, and make sure you give thumbs up and bye.